In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for local SEO, fast and easy. If you're looking to improve your local SEO strategy by leveraging trending data, you're in the right place. Google Trends is a powerful tool that can provide valuable insights, helping you target the right keywords more effectively. Let's dive into how you can make the most of this tool for boosting your local search visibility. First things first, head over to Google Trends. You can do this by simply typing Google Trends in your search bar or directly visiting trendsgoogle.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This is where you'll enter your keyword of interest. Think about the keywords that best represent your business or the local terms your customers might use to find services like yours. After entering a keyword, you'll need to click on the Explore button. This action takes you to a dashboard that reveals various data sets related to your keyword. Here, you'll be able to see how interest in this keyword has varied over time, which is crucial for understanding its relevance and potential seasonal peaks or trends. Now let's set the time range for the data you're analyzing. This can give you a more focused view of the trends that are relevant to your business's immediate goals. You have options ranging from a single day to several years, so choose the one that best fits your current needs. For local SEO, analyzing the last 12 months can often provide a balanced view that includes seasonal trends. Once the time frame is set, another essential aspect is to specify the geographical location. Since we are focusing on local SEO, it's important to tailor your search to your specific area. This will ensure that the insights you gain are directly applicable to your local strategy. With the location and time frame set, you can now explore the interest over time in related topics. This data is valuable as it can highlight emerging interests or topics related to your keyword, potentially offering you new angles for content creation or marketing initiatives. A fantastic feature of Google Trends is the ability to compare keywords directly. Enter another keyword in the Compare tool to see how its trend matches up to your original search term. This can help you identify which keywords are generating more interest and assess which terms might be worth targeting in your content or advertising strategy. Finally, use these insights to fine-tune your local SEO by incorporating rising topics into your content. This not only helps to enhance your SEO efforts, but also aligns with what your local audience is currently seeking, making your business far more discoverable. By staying on top of trends, you're placing your business in a stronger position to be found and favored over competitors in your area. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently use Google Trends to bolster your local SEO. Thanks for joining me, and happy optimizing.